Good morning, student. I am Leena Yadu. I am here to teach you social science. In class 6, social science is a new subject for you. So, today I am going to introduce the subject. So, this is my introductory lecture. In class 6, social science, part 1 consists of two subjects, history and civics. And social science part 2 consists only one subject, geography. So children, before I explain meaning of history, civics and geography, I would like to explain the meaning of social science. So children, the word social is a form of a word society. So you should understand the meaning of society. Society is a group of people living in a particular area, state or country. They may have different culture, means custom, language, food habit, religion, dance and music, dresses, literature, but they follow the same law. Now let me give some example. The people living in India follow the same law and therefore they make a society called Indian society. But do all the people of India follow the same law, religion and custom? No children. They all follow different religion, custom, language. So children, here I want to clear one thing, that society is formed only by human beings and the study of human society and its progress is called social science. Children, society cannot be formed by other animal. Let me explain it with example. Here, group of lion, group of elephants and group of deers. A group of lions cannot live with group of elephants and a group of deer cannot live with group of lions. But group of Muslims live with group of Hindu and all other religion, that is society. But children, if group of Muslims and Hindu live separately, they do not form society, they form a community. Here I explain the meaning of community with an example, that group of lions, group of elephants, group of deer live separately. They do not live together, so they form a community, not society. So we can say that community of lions, community of elephants and community of deer. Here children, group of human beings having different religion live together and that is society. So children, I hope you understand the meaning of society and community, and you also understand the meaning, the difference of society and community. Now I am going to explain your subject in part 1, history. So children, what is the meaning of history? I will try to explain this in simple language. History means the events of past that is already happened, or we can say particularly about human affairs. For example, how the people 500 years and 100 years ago used to live, where their houses were different from the houses we live in today, and how the people of that time used to travel from one place to another place. And in history, we will also study about human progress and their journey from early man to modern man. Now, in part 2, you have second subject, civics. Civics is the subject of citizenship. So, understand the citizenship, you should understand the meaning of citizen. Citizen is a person who live in a country by birth or by legal order. That person we call a citizen. In civics, we will also study about the rights and duties of a citizen. Here children, in part 2, you have geography. Geography is made up of two words, first geo and second graph. Geo means earth and its features. Graphy means description or story. So children, we can say geography means a description or story of earth and its features. So children, as I already told you that this is my introductory lecture. In my next video, I will start your first lessons. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.